what's up guys? Karon dai mag-set up ko karon sa among gamit sa banda. Ako ra isa karon guys. Narang set up. Tanaw lang mo kay mag-set up ko.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth breakers dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a run in our blood. That kind of luck just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows us knows that we're fine with it.
So karon guys, nahuman na tag set up. Set up na nato. Connect na ang mga wires. Ingon dire sa atong gamit dire is crossover, two-way lang, tapos Johnson Mars Max para sa mid-high, tapos Sakura EV739 sa sub. Duha lang, duha ka mid, duha pod ka sub. So maora niyang sit up left and right. So nagkuan lang kog fan dere para dili kayo mainit, dugang pang kan sa hangin. So mao lang ko nang sound check guys. Salamat. So napadi ay ang sa mixer nga atong gigamit is ang Yamaha CT120S. So wala pa ta atong mga digital, nindot yun ta na to, pero budget pa man ta, low budget. Kanina lang sa timpla-timpla lang sa drums ug sa gamit para mabagay gamay. So sindot yun ta na itong digital, pero okay ra, goods ra ni. Sound check na ko guys. So ang ato ding mixing dre is sa snare. Nga nilang akong set up. Ang low niya dre ra sa 9, mid na sa 1, ang high dayon is nasa 1 yapon. So ang sa kick kanilang tanawa lang ninyo. For sa guitar 2, guitar 1, almost the same lang sila. Sa vocal the same lang. Sa bass kani mo yung sa bass kana lang ang setup.